laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, Junior MPBL, ang liga.
Our second game of 8 for today dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action as the impressive TYBC Pampanga squad takes on Bataan JNI Sportswear. I said impressive dito sa Pampanga TYBC because they just defeated the main champions ng under 14 kahapon, San Pedro Spartans, and they have done it in the most impressive fashion possible. The trio of the attack para sa TYBC basketball, that was Sison, Bautista, and Conanan SBC, making work sa San Pedro Spartans, but now facing a tough challenge as James Mendoza knocks down 1 out of 2 free throws. Again, if you look at our lineup, this is only in the under 14 division. Pero parang under 16 na sa sobrang lalaki ng ating mga players dito as Kyle Bautista scores the first 2 points for him, getting that layup to go. Looking to make that move was Axel Teodoro. Tatawagan ng traveling itong si Bautista. Best player of the game on that win against San Pedro ay itong si Prince Sison, that really impressed us yesterday as that floater dropping in. That is Josel scoring on that basket. Bautista misfires for 3. Balik sa kanya. Kyle Bautista couldn't find the angle. I see Raywin Maliari dito sa kampo ng Bataan, a player that I have covered in the Pocket League, as that basket goes in off that drive. James Mendoza once again. That's 4 points for Mendoza. Then Bataan and Pampanga facing off each other in this Central Luzon matchup. JNI Sportswear tsaka TYBC. Of course, itong TYBC led by Coach T.Y. Orea. You see on your screen on the right side, looking in, some movements there with 5 seconds to go. Looking to swing it. 2. And they will beat the buzzer right in time. 6-5. is the score, and it is a fight for the possession. JP Lissing diving in for that one. They forced an 8-second call. Six to 5 is our total. Heavyweight matchup. Mamaya maglalaro ulit itong JNI as they face off against San Pedro. So that would be one of our key matchups for today. Magandang laban yon. 6-5 is the score. Knocks down the three. Able to secure the 3-pointer. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Bataan. And they stepping on the line was called on that last play. Bricks Bonko will receive this ball, looking to fire up the pressure. James Mendoza misfires on that jumper. Malyari wanting to receive that pass. A missed three on the other side. Dami tayong mga kaibigan sa Pocket League na nanonood. Jaden Dimalanta, again, one of the members of that mythical under-9 squad na nanonood sa atin. Nakita ko rin si Saijan Canlas nanonood din. A player from Fabs Pampanga naman. Yan ang ating mga napapanood dito. What a move, that finish. Basket goes in. Special shout out sa mga kaibigan natin, sa mga players that played in that Pocket League. Hope to see you guys next season. Ten to 8 is the score. Bautista and company looking to retake the lead here. 4 minutes 15. Here's Bautista. Conanan will lose the possession. Now breaking that cross. Bataan di diskarte. Mendoza misfires for 3. Couldn't get that opportunity. 10 to 8 pa rin. Bautista fires. Can't score on that last one. 12 to 8. Pass was a bit too far. Looks to break this one in. Again for Mendoza. Misfiring on the same spot. Referees will call an offensive foul. $12-8 is the total. Four-point lead. Raywin Malyari missing on that jumper. Referees will call a foul there, I believe, or a violation with 2:48 remaining. Oh, player is down on the side of Bataan. Really didn't see what happened on that last play. Crashing and burning on that last play. And we will continue the action. (12-8) pa rin ang ating score. TYBC Pampanga looking to continue yung kanilang impressive performance with 9 seconds remaining. Leasing just too big down low, couldn't sneak in. Ram Sevilla has entered the contest, nakalusot. Russell Conanan scores his first 2 points. Far on the pass was Raywin Malyari, wanting to receive it on that last play. Down by 2. A minute 55 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Bautista bitin yung kanyang 3-pointer. Malyari sends it, spins, shoots, couldn't score on that basket. Was Tiong Son. Counter, Conanan was stopped. And just standing his ground is Ram Sevilla. A minute 25 remaining here. Almost saving the possession was Raywin Malyari. (12 to 10). Corner shot. Basket won't count. Stepping on the line. Sayang naman yun para dito kay Miguel Tiamzon with 59.2. Ito ang ating unang timeout. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa.
Of the timeout. Nice tip in by Malyari. Using his size and the length. Itong si Raywin. Pampanga will have possession once again. Season is heavily guarded in this game because of his wonderful performance yesterday. Prince looks to shoot it off. Merong free throw na itatawag on the side of Pampanga as yesterday's best player, Prince Carl Season, will have his first appearance at the free throw area. (11 to 14). 3-point lead. Thought about that shot was Teodoro. Open, swing. Too strong on that 3. Nice recovery. That is a traveling violation. Five seconds to go. Season and company looking to score. Finds a way. Referees call a foul. Yeah, the referees was able to sneak in one whistle. bago tayo magtapos dito sa ating opening quarter. So it means free throws. Who couldn't take advantage? Yanselom. 1 out of 2. And that is the official end of our opening quarter. 14-12. Bataan with a 2-point lead. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Start of the second quarter. Lamang po ang Bataan dito, 14-12 as Season now has entered the field goal conversation. 14 all. Basket made by Season. Pampanga and Bataan, no strangers to each other. Always facing on that Central Luzon squad, and Season now breaking through in the second quarter. He has at least 5 points on my count. Carve some space. A missed opportunity for Bataan to enter the scoring fray. One bump, spins, shoots. Couldn't score was Angeles. Gonna make a run once again. Sees the clock. Another three. Didn't work for Axel Teodoro, as a foul will be called, as Ram Sevilla will be at the line. Habang nag-aayos ng sapatos, itong si Ram Sevilla, would like to take my time to make a special shout out to Sir Mick Cecilio and Sir James Versosa. Dalawa yan sa ating mga referees dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, lalong-lalo na sa Pocket League kung saan kami-kami yung nagkakasama doon. Last game ng Pocket League was February ata. At doon ko huling nakita sila Sir Mick and Sir James Versosa, ating mga butihing referees. Very, very competent referees here, keeping in pace, keeping things check. And of course, not only them, but shout out to every referees na nandito sa ating tournament for today. Mga kaibigan nating tunay yan. As that action happens, it is Axel Teodoro getting that basket, spins, shoots. Sevilla gets that rebound. Breaking that cross. 1 point lead for Bataan. Nice block. Second serving. Not giving up after getting rejected. Ram Sevilla will be called for that foul. Kaylee Pangan will be at the line though, looking to cut the lead here. 19-18 is the score with 7 minutes 42 remaining. Providing some full court defense itong TYBC Pampanga. Nice stop. Now looking to break free all the way for the lead. Season has at least 7 points in my count. Again, that performance of Season yesterday where he really ran circles around the guards of San Pedro Spartans. Yung ating champion sa main Junior MPBL under 14. They were able to make easy work. Malyari couldn't hit that three-pointer. Sends it for this one-hand floater. Nice box out by Kaylee Pangan. Outlet pass, it is recovered. One leg shot is in. Making it look so easy is that basket. Teodoro Virames. Balik ang bola dito sa Bataan earlier. Bataan with a 16-19 lead. Now a 6-0 run on the side of Pampanga. Sila naman ngayon ang may 3 puntos na kalamangan. Couldn't snipe that 3 is Josel. Now on the run once again. Conanan attacks. Ball is tapped. Balik kay Conanan. Didn't call his number for that 3. Instead, they give it in the post. Nice soft touch by Kaylee Pangan. 24-19. 8-0 run by Pampanga. Too strong. Solid rebound on the side of Pampanga. Once again, running through the break. Kaylee Pangan has played well in the second quarter. 10-0 run. Bataan calls for time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang
Riley Pangan and Pampanga are on a 10-0 run. Bataan looks to end that rally, and that's one way to do it. This time a too aggressive defensive stance, I should say, for Russell Conanan. Axel Teodoro hit a 3-pointer earlier. Ngayon, pasok yung kanyang unang attempt. 1 out of 2. Sabi ng ating referees, isa pa. Lane violation on the side here. Misses on the second. Now a 10-1 run pa rin. On their side, stepping through for the jumper. Yan Selom makes it count. 28-2. Nice block on that other side. Pangan secures that block. Hindi na nakaabot on that second try. Josel will not make that play. Now gonna push and run the break. Here's Conanan. once again on the attack. Russell Conanan slicing and dicing on that one. Isa ba? Conanan back to back. 4 minutes 25. James Mendoza on that bump. Shooting over Riley Pangan. As Mendoza scores another basket. And this time a whistle called by our referees. As you see on the screen, that's Coach T.Y. Orrea. On the other side, of course, head coach of Bataan. Looking worried right now. 8-point lead. Jab step to that jumper is just straight. Miguel Tiamzon read that play perfectly. Season with a takeaway. A 3-on-2 break. Nice delivery. 5 straight points for Miguel Tiamzon off that steal and the pass by Season. 25-5 run. 22 I should say. To 5 run. Make it 24-5 run. What a second quarter for Pampanga. For context, kanina lamang ang Bataan 19-16. A 23-5 run. Now looking to silence them. Getting that basket to go. 13-point lead for Pampanga. Heat check moment for Miguel Tiamzon. Now on the run. Losing the possession. Balik dito kay Selom on that drive. Up and under. Nice rebound by Riley Pangan. He has been the difference maker in this second quarter. Talking about Pangan. Gets that basket through contact. 13-point lead by Pampanga. They'll call for time. They'll talk things through.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
(41-28). Pampanga with a 13-point lead. Tiamzon looking to sneak a basket. Didn't work. But a steal on the other side. Looking to run. JP Lising drops it off. Migs Tiamzon, 7 points in the quarter. Referees will halt a play. Mendoza and the company looks back as Season is struggling to get up here. Natamaan ata sa muka nung steal attempt, and still he is down for the count. Kinakausap siya ng ating official. Seen on your screen, Coach T.Y. Orea. Confirming something sa ating referees and the whole TYBC squad rallying around Season. So he will be subbed out. And hopefully, he can continue and return mamaya. Especially on that second half of action we will see. 3 ball. Didn't go in. Can't have a chance to run as Bautista will be called for that foul. So penalty situation. Shooting 2. Knocking down the first one. Jeris Perez knocks down both. 14-point lead na ang or make it a 13-point lead ang abante ng Pampanga, just breaking away in this second quarter. Migs on the attack. Tiamson, bit too fancy. Rebound by the guys from Bataan. Malyari swings it. Perez looking to make some work. Final 10 to go. A 3 on the way. That is too short. Kyle Bautista attacks the defense as James Mendoza will be called for that foul. Bautista once again. This time he knocks down the free throw. He can be a threat from the outside, but so far he has been attacking the rim and making his free throws. Angat sa 15 ang kanilang kalamangan. 45-30. Triple teamed. Referees will call a travel. Nowhere to go that time was Nelson Hamindang, and with final 33.6 to go, timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang
Off the timeout, naka-score itong si Bautista. Has made a free throw and now a steal. What a spark. Miguel Zion Tiamson making big impacts. Kasama niya si Riley Pangan in the second quarter, and another stop is made. $19-point lead. Six seconds to go. Selom, a 3. That is off the mark, looking to rescue. Naubusan ng oras, pero 19 points ang kalamangan dito, 33 points since that 16-19. Maya, pag-usapan natin na nangyari. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para
Third quarter action. Pampanga versus Bataan under 14 division. Dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions sa ating provincial leg. 49-30 ang ating official score. Tiamson spins, misfires on that shot, at balikan natin yung nangyari early in that second quarter. Bataan with a 3-point lead, 19-16. Ever since, it is a 33-11 scoring run. And not only that, this Pampanga squad has done things through defense. They forced, 4 straight turnovers and converted in all, or if not majority of the time. Leasing and one. I should say that is Salom. Referees will not call that basket on Salom. Instead, they call an offensive foul, I believe. 49-30 is the score. A 1-point lead and another defensive stop. Season is back. Couldn't get that basket, was JP Leasing. If you are Bataan, just relax. Only in the third quarter, dami pang pwedeng mangyari as those trapping defense by this Pampanga TYBC squad. Yun ang nagpapahirap dito sa Bataan. Stepping through for that three. Had a good look, was Bonko. Rebound secured by Riley Pangan. For me, he really started things off for this squad. Bautista at 3. Nice rebound by Raywin Malyari. Yung kanyang father, si Sir John Ray Malyari, nanunood sa ating live streams. Shoutout sa iyo, sir. Hope that you are enjoying seeing your son play here, as you see Malyari on the background and a basket courtesy of Pampanga. Sabi ni Ace Salas, grabe ang depensa. Yes po. That is really the story on that second quarter moving forward. The defense of Pampanga and the teamwork as well. It's one thing to get that ball. It's another to find better shots. And speaking of better shots, there you go. Nice bounce pass by Malyari. As I believe that's a Bonko cutting and scoring for two. And now defense being played here by Bataan, crashing and burning both players here. I see Migs Tiamzon as he is called for that foul. Herin will start off the play. A steal from behind. Prince Carl Season. See you later. He is down again as he hit that bench area. Kababalik lang ni Prince Season. He just completed that play and just hit that bench area, grimacing in pain. If he goes out here, cannot make the bonus free throw. .557 remaining. It's just a runaway in this game. We'll have a short break. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabayad pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL.
As we return to the action, took us a while to get Prince Carl Season off the court, still struggling after completing that basket. Tumama kasi siya dun sa kanto ng bench. Really took a lot of air out of him. And I wish him the best here. We all know he will be back if this team needs him into this game, but if they can just sustain yung kanilang kalamangan dito, that could be the game for him. And he has done quite enough already para dito sa kampo ng Pampanga. 57-32 after that basket. Bataan again only scoring 13 points since making that 19-point margin, and a steal by Migs. Here's Tiamzon breaking the defense, looking to score, gets his own rebound. Balik ang bola sa Bataan. Again, I wish Prince Carl Season well, and if they can sustain this lead, just give Miguel Tiamzon the green light to really take over for their squad, so that makapagpahinga itong si Season. Here's Riley Pangan, went up, there's a swipe, 4-on-2, and it is good. That was a 4-on-2 break completed. Making that free throw. I believe that's Perez. 22-point lead pa rin. And now waking up at the right time. Can he make it 5 straight? Yes, he can. Jeris Perez with 5 straight points. Kanina, Pampanga ang umahabol. Let's see if Bataan can do the same. Riley Pangan just spins, rolls the ball on that angle. Having a superb game is Riley. Mendoza, a bit quiet in this game. Now getting that foul call. Quarter po, we are in the third quarter with 3 minutes 14 remaining. Again, nababasa ko sa ating comment section, really applauding the system of Coach T.Y. Orrea. And he has been really teaching his boys about defense, about hustle. And I have seen and heard some testimonies from the players na naturuan ni Coach T.Y. Again, one of them, Jaden De Malanta. Nung nakausap ko si Coach T.Y. kahapon, really proud on the accomplishment of Jaden De Malanta. Again, one of our under 9 players in the Pocket League. Bag a mythical 5 selection. 20-point lead. Tuloy natin ang kwentuhan mamaya after this timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to.
As we continue the action, Bataan down by 20 and a 3-second violation called on Bataan JNI Sportswear. At yun nga, balikan natin yung kwento. One of the players na sobrang proud din, itong si Coach T.Y. Orea, Prince Season. Best player of the game, had 23 points. Nakita ko pa yung post ni Coach T.Y. Orea, really praising the hard work ni Prince Carl Season. Started out when he was 8. Itong si Season, sabi sa post ni Coach T.Y. And so of the majority of the players, as this 3-pointer didn't go in, Bautista makes the follow-up. And if you're a parent within Pampanga, again, if you want your kids to really perform well and enjoy the game of basketball, nakikita natin sa harap natin, Coach T.Y. Orea's program has been working wonders as they get another steal, another foul. 61 points already for TYBC Pampanga. Kaka-birthday lang pala ni Coach TY 2 days ago. And what a way for him to continue to celebrate yung kanyang kaarawan by having 2 big wins dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Meanwhile for Bataan, still can't find the hole. Adrias was the lone bright spot so far in the third. Successful drop-off, di nga lang makakarating sa basket. Adrias has 5 points. Now, can he make it 7? Couldn't hit on that floater. Now on the run, JP Leasing waits for the defense. Here's Tiamzon, balik kay Leasing. What a move by Miggs. Bitin lang yung finish. Sevilla secures that rebound. Final 15 seconds dito sa ating third quarter. Goes for the cross and it is loose. Nice defense by Tiamzon. Leaking out all the way. 4-2. Justine Lobo enters the scoring fray. Pampanga extends this game 63-39. What a quarter, what a performance by Pampanga. One more quarter to go. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga
Fourth quarter action, 63-39. TYBC Pampanga in total dominance against Bataan. Leasing to start the fourth. JP scores the first 2 points of the fourth quarter. After starting well, Bataan has really had their share of problems. Malyari couldn't buy a basket. Of that spin, ball is recovered. Herin fakes and scores. Selom looking to beat that double team. Conanan, just a steady performance para dito kay Russell Conanan. But a 24-point lead as you see on that right side. That is Prince Sison looking on. Teodoro makes that basket to go. .22 lead. Selom has the rock. Swing. Receives in that corner again. Wanting to go for that drive. Di nakarating para dito kay Russell Conanan. A. Salas at Jaden Di Malanta, proud of the TYBC basketball program. Tatak TYBC daw. And I know those kids just performing on a high level tulad ng ginagawa ng mga taga Pampanga ngayon. 65-43. 7 minutes 35 goes on the attack. Nice stop by James Mendoza. JNY Sportswear Bataan. Can they wake up here and make one more run? Herin knows his shot is a miss. And that's the most dangerous player to not box out for the shot taker. Dahil alam niyang mintis yung kanyang tira. He knows where the shot is going. On the other side, that was an air ball. 65-45. Again, those defense made by Pampanga. Double team, triple team on the set plays. Really forcing an issue, making an issue on Bataan. Fakes, shoots, almost at a clean look si Ibasco. Offensive rebound and one. Yan Selom. All Pampanga TYBC completes that 3-point play. Itong si Yan Selom. Kahit sa ating chats, really a lot of Pampanga supporters, TYBC supporters here. Scoring on that last basket. Looking to cut this one. But increasing the lead still. Sayang yun. Di nakakuha ng layup itong si JP Leasing. Miss on that attempt. Will go one more time. Set jumper. Looking for the shot itong si Ibasco. Got to love the aggressiveness of Joshua Ibasco. But maybe needs to find a better spot. Last ilang possessions niya, medyo pilit yung dating nung tira. Let's see if they can find Ebasco again. Nice ball movement. Yan Selom just open on that one. I believe that was Lising making that pass. And good defense by Ebasco. Cannot make a clean play so far itong Bataan. 70-47. Will be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, wag kang
Quick trigger para dito kay Kael Pantig. Just couldn't make it, and just like that, timeout ulit tayo. 4 minutes 55 lamang pa rin ang Pampanga.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, wag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and
Again has been playing well for Bataan, but he needs some help. Tatawagan ng offensive foul itong si Bautista. Four minutes 20 remaining. Bataan just looks to keep things close here. Fakes, scoots, and scores. There you go, 19 na lang. 4 minutes pa. Marami pang oras and a steal. Needs to be careful itong Pampanga. Reverse layup is good. That is 6 straight points. Not out of the woods yet itong Bataan. Ebasco for 3. Still can find his shot. Got that gather. Didn't make on that drive was Adrias. Nice basket. First 2 points for Matt Nunag. 72-53. Make it 76. 72-56. 16 points na lang. If you are Pampanga, no need to relax. Passes it to Sir Raymond. This is still doable. Kaya pa ng Bataan to. 72-56, but they need to convert. Teodoro will lose that possession. Another open three. Couldn't get that roll. almost stepping out of bounds. Good rescue. Nagmamadali. 2 players wearing black. Carl Nathan Reyes scoring for 2 to the cheers of their bench. Needing to hurry if you want to make a comeback. Misses on that 3. Players crashing down. Again on that Doride bola ng Pinoy sign. Our official game ball. Quick trigger from the outside. Off the mark. Now they're shooting their way into this game, which is a good idea for Bataan as they had made a couple of baskets in a row. Can they go for another attempt? Swing for a 3. That won't fall. Last 2 minutes. Miguel Zion Tiamzon finding Carl Reyes once again. Final timeout perhaps of the game called here by Bataan. Pampanga looking to make it 2-0.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, wag kang
Couldn't get that free throw. Recovers on that miss. Spins, shoots. Bitin. Yung kanyang jumper. Pantig will lose the possession. Snipes a 3. Couldn't reach the target. Then at this time, just really a good performance by Pampanga. There's no way to better describe it. Doing it on both ends of the floor. From the offensive end, the defensive end. TYBC really consistent on their last 2 games. Ganito nila tinalo yung San Pedro Spartans, and now Bataan tasting the same fate, facing the same demise as they look to make some moves. Just getting some minutes. Yung mga players natin dito get to experience junior and PBL basketball. Meanwhile, Bataan will fall short in this game. 0-1. They will go here. At ang next game nila will be against the under-14 champions na tinalo ng TYBC, San Pedro Spartans. And that would be a good matchup as that move goes in. A stoppage for this one. Referees will call a dribbling violation. As you see, Coach T.Y. Orea just standing, not reacting so much. But alam natin sobrang saya niyan ni Coach T.Y. as he and his boys are undefeated 2-0 sa ating pocket tournament. Sabi ni Jaden De Malanta, shoutout daw kay Kuya Arnie Puentes, yung ating photographer. Pati ako pinapa-shoutout ni Jaden. Special shoutout sa'yo. Hope to see you soon, Jaden. One of the products of TYBC. Meanwhile, Bataan JNI Sportswear just continues to put in the final touches as we are just about over. Pampanga marches in 2-0 in the contest. Bataan will have a big game later against San Pedro. Yan ang ating aabangan. What a game by Pampanga, grabbing the lead, never looking back. 7-6, 6-2, 2 games down, 6 to go. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumayo.